Good morning, everyone. Today, we are the Group 5 and will share our reflection on the differential equation course. Over the past few weeks, we have explored various topics from fundamental concepts to real world application. Each of us will discuss key takeaways and insights gained throughout the course.
We started with first-order differential equations, where we learned about definitions, direction fields, and autonomous equation. Understanding these basics help us see how differential equations describe change in various systems.
In addition to the concept, we explored different solution methods, such as techniques and numerical approaches. These methods are essential for solving real-world problems when exact solutions are difficult to find.
As we progressed, we tackled higher order differential equations, including homogeneous and non-homogeneous equations. Learning techniques like method of undetermined coefficients and variation of parameters gave us powerful tools to solve more complex problems in engineering and physics.
One of the most interesting parts of our course was using Laplace transforms. This method simplifies solving differential equations, especially in systems with initial conditions. Understanding initial value problems also help us see how these equations model real-life situations like electrical circuits and mechanical vibrations.
What stood out the most was the real-world applications. We explored how differential equations are used in various fields, such as physics, economics, and engineering. Whether modeling population growth, predicting heat transfer, or analyzing oscillating systems, the practical relevance of this subject became very clear to us.
Overall, this course has enhanced our analytical thinking and problem-solving skills. From theory to application, we have gained a deeper appreciation for how differential equations shape the world around us. While challenging, the course has been rewarding, and we now feel more prepared to apply these concepts in our future studies and careers. Thank you.